All right. Well, now we're going to go into the Q&A. We had everybody send their questions to us on Mentee over the last week and a half. So we'll go ahead and ask the community's questions to you now. If you notice that your question wasn't answered on the podcast today, join us on Discord. We'll be happy to talk to you about what your question was, as well as see if it's something that we can provide you an answer on. So, John, what sets Horizen apart and why should people build on the ecosystem?
Yeah, thanks for the question, Erica. So I want to start out just by maybe introducing the listeners to our updated mission statement. And it's just a slight update from what it's been in the past. But what we're really trying to do is secure the world's transition to Web3. And I think this is a super meaningful mission statement on a number of dimensions. But what we're really aiming to try to do is create a safe, secure, and trustworthy way of bringing current and new users into the crypto space or into the blockchain space. We're looking at all people, enterprises, individuals, consumers, developers, whomever. So that's kind of our mission statement. And I'll admit that we're a little late to the game, kind of switching into the Ethereum space again on bringing Ethereum compatibility to Horizen. But what this is kind of allowed us to do is take a step back and understand the pitfalls that other industry players have faced. We've been able to study how other parties have implemented their EVMs. So we kind of know where the industry is. We have a perspective and are continuing to develop and learn from that perspective on where the industry we think is going. And so that's allowing us to really think hard and put a lot of time and effort into building out the right marketing, branding, other things that are going to attract the developers that we want in the community. And we're going to do this by launching a couple of programs that I can't speak specifically about yet, but that will be launched over the next month or so with kind of the testnet and mainnet deployment of our EVM. And so these different programs are going to be really focused on finding the right folks who share our values of trust, transparency, security, and privacy. And I think this is going to be something that will set us apart from other projects and will be a really good incentive for building on Horizen, either in addition to or instead of other places. And then the other thing is really just like kind of the flexibility of our ecosystem. The sidechain system that we've implemented provides a significant amount of flexibility. You can essentially build whatever kind of sidechain you want with whatever consensus, networking, et cetera, that you want as well. And so that's kind of another thing that has been the case for a little while, but is worth noting as well.
That's really exciting.